Today I would like to share with you how to replace the air filter for the Mercedes-Benz C300 2013. So the air filter very easy, let's do together. The first time, let me zoom closer a little bit and you guys can see that. Okay, so this cover, you have to put it up, lift up. Okay, so now what I have to do, I'm going to take this one out to go to move up a little bit and take this cover out. Okay. It's coming out. So now we take this one out. This one a little. Okay, let's just talk 25. One. Two. One over here. That's a lot. Okay, so now cut over here. No room over there. Push the one back a little bit. My shop it on. Come on. A little bit hard. Okay, that's it. Coming out. Here. Check it out. Easy. Now, I'm going to take the air filter out. This air filter is usually 1 year. You have to replace it. It doesn't matter. 1 year to replace it. Okay, so together. This one is OEM one, that's a for Mercedes. Okay, so now I'm going to put back together. Make sure the bottom one easy. See that? Okay, putting it together. Okay, now I to use this one first. Tie in the center one. I forgot, they want the top 25. Okay, the last one. Push it down. Right hand, trash. Okay. Now what I have to do, I just use the light. And what easy. So this one I don't have room over here for me to put the socket on. So now with the yield, the socket will put on. Yes. Okay, that's it. Put it one back together. Yes, now put it one back together. This one. Yeah. Okay. So put the one on. That's it. That's it. Done. Very easy. Sorry. Okay, done. Very easy to replace the air filter. Thank you for everyone to watch my video. See you next video. Okay, bye.